Welcome, today we're going to show you how to change DNS settings on your Windows 11. So how to actually do that? First you need to click on the start menu as you from here and search for the settings. After you open the settings up, now you need to go to network and internet. From here you can click on Wi-Fi and now you can click on hardware properties. So from here you will have the option to change DNS as you from here. You can just click on edit on the DNS server assignment. Now it will be set to automatic. You need to click on here and set it to manual and check the box for IPv4. So now you will have the preferred DNS and the alternate DNS. So you can actually write this DNS from here. Now see 8888, and from the alternate DNS you can write 8844. After that you can hit on save, and now the DNS have successfully been changed. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.